Kids Kitchen.
Yes, welcome back to Mom&Kids Kitchen.
Okay, so today we can make check rice.
Check rice, Sierra Leone, check rice, Sierra Leone, check rice, Sierra Leone, check yourself.
Today.
Okay, now today the two princesses are not there today, so let's cook the kitchen. Okay. So now they put me how they cook rice. They put some oil inside, like 1 tablespoon only, not too much. And salt 1 tablespoon. So the rice not too much rice they cook because now only with two they eat. So now they put the boil the water for boil, then we can put the rice. So guys, now the water don't boil, we can put the rice. The rest I don't wash some, it be dirty small, and aroma boy dirty small, so I decide to wash some. So guys, I don't put the rest now. They mix them. And I left them for let boil for 8 minutes. Because now let the water all done. Because I don't can put the cream for let all done together. So I left them for 8 minutes for let cook, let the water reduce, then I come back for the cream. So guys, this is the cream. I can put her inside the rice. The water don't reduce. So before the water all the dry, the rice go dry fine, the cream go also. So I put it in the middle. I don't open the rice. I make hole. And they can spring with small water on top because the water don't dump at the rest. While you just spring with small water, the heat and go cook the cream. And they come again for let dry for 2 minutes only now left. 2 minutes you go down steam, then I pull them. And now the cream done. See now idea. So I pull them for lab. That mass. But for mass and let mass fine then. Somebody else. The rest don't dry everything. You get for mass this cream very well. I don't blender because I don't let blend too much. It look like medicine. So guys, you see, you get for bitter like this, it's fine. Everything mass. No need for blender. Because if you blend, fine. The bitter. Now this is the bitter. Say it mass fine. I make sure that the cream cook fine. Let water left and I need the water not left that much. I want to too much water like wait small water on top your rice. They put the cream, make dig a hole and put them in. So now I don't beat. See? So guys, you see the guys, make sure the guys not poto at all. They put it inside bath pan because if I mix the rest with the cream. So you will soak the spoon small. So let not all. You know the cream slip also. It will look more difficult for mix. So if you soak the spoon, it will make the rest no catch na the spoon. It will easily for let you mix her. guys, now the rest it don't mix. So like this one is small. If you want make am plenty, you go use plenty big. Guys, now the food done the check rice. You don't check rice. We use our cream, very short video.
Yeah.
So if you like for try the check rice, we eat our stew or they make our boil stew or stew. But me I like our boil stew. Now I can make now we make now with house. So you can try them if you have visitors, anybody you can try and it's fine. So that's all. We say thank you for the subscriber, thank you for the new and old.
Subscribe.
And like and comment.
Comment. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell. If you don't have no phone, buy anyone.
Let them buy you one. Can't you buy it for them? Okay, guys, please, nobody subscribe. Nobody share our videos. Please, our videos.
Comment.
Please comment and let us know and share.
And subscribe the channel, click the bell also.
Yes.
And
So please,
click the bell below.
please, if you have any ideas how we can improve our channel, you can comment below. Please, we need your support and we really appreciate it. Your
And
support.
also click the bell below.
Okay, then we say thank you. Tata, take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.